adom yung ngashige video sididum title like hangamani that this is gonna be a marathon revision ado like kuma para kanda didum ayamba mi tawnaram gadaw sumale haidi ai su tawai ko dum like pare dum chai chaninge chagaleba ko aise adugi dum sige video se we're gonna have a lot of eating aduga like so mayam pase ay nungdangdo ina pabasine nungaijaiba aigidi haidi tumdrikan mamang dum isada pressure leiraga pabdo aduga hawat khudai paba sungam deba ko first session sidi aido like revision class oina taraga dum haidi notes kum sum semaga dum chatpado dum aino chatle that was the riding after all but I gotta know will you let it die or let it glow give me something to follow tell me hope is 언제랑도 없어요. Still think about that empty field, just you and me and time to kill. First kiss I didn't know would come. You laughing at my stupid jokes, both of us wishing we were old right then, cause we knew it was love. And everybody says take it slow. And everybody says take it slow, but I think it's true when you know, yeah, we could be dancing all night, waking up for the sunrise, late cause we're losing track of time, yeah, we're in young love, cause when I'm with you it feels like falling in love for the first time, it'll always be true, yeah, I know we're in young love. Tap tangga itu mure atu gola kaino mamuka charaga lai pana batawrase ai dong asi do khangdi yam wae hing tum da bi da page ka haraga pangtum da tumninga ka leira but still adum pani ngai tause hoji kai kaino khar jasalaga
Châu em thấy nên nó gì sắp có là sao vậy thì
until 5 o'clock when we got class at 8 a.m. When I'm with you it all makes sense, I finally get what they all meant by falling in love with your best friend. Yeah, I know they probably think I'm crazy, but I don't care, none of it can faze me. I go in a study with me video ko masi yung yam nungai zoba to ko study with me gi moi live session ko mo to ko thar ko tum like pa ba ko mo to tum nungai ba ai tom ta pa ba du budi adumai na ga sum pa mina ba to adugi so sigi video se semba kanda I ngonda like I feel really good to make this video and I hope this video motivates you too. I think I find